Let's dive into the aromatic world of Uska Tarika, a savory delight that entices your taste buds with every bite. Um, this traditional dish often puzzles many with its intricate steps and flavor depth. But worry not, I've decoded the process. To start things off, gather your ingredients: a kilogram of mutton, 2 large onions, 4 green chilies, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and a medley of spices. The list may seem long, but each element plays a crucial role in crafting the final taste. Begin by marinating the mutton. Uh, Combine garlic, ginger, turmeric, and green chilies to form a paste. Um, this step is vital. A solid 3 to 4 hours of marination lets flavors penetrate. This alone will boost taste by over 50%. Next, heat some oil in a large pan and slice the onions and fry these until they turn a rich golden brown. Um, this step requires patience, but will result in a deeper, more complex taste profile in your Uska Tarika. Now add the marinated mutton into the pan. Let it sear and brown, locking in the juices. Expect to spend about 10 to 15 minutes slowly stirring the mixture to get that perfect caramelization. And once browned, mix in your remaining spices: coriander, cumin, red chili powder, and a pinch of garam masala. And this is where the magic begins. Bringing an aromatic wave that captures the essence of the dish. Add water to cover the mutton completely. Cover the pan with a lid, letting it simmer over a low flame. And here's the pro tip. Longer cooking over low heat, around 45 minutes to 1 hour, makes the mutton tender and juicy. And while it's simmering, check in occasionally. Stir the pot to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom. This step also allows the ingredients to merge seamlessly, enhancing the harmony of flavors. If you're worrying about the spice level, you can balance it by adjusting the chilies or adding a dollop of yogurt in the last few minutes. It's a personal choice. Cooking is about finding that perfect balance. I finally ensure your dish is at the desired consistency. Some prefer it with more gravy, while others like a thick sauce. Adding or reducing water can help reach your preferred texture. Serve piping hot with naan or rice. The combination is critically acclaimed, with everyone enjoying the experience. Trust me, following these steps will make you the star chef among your friends and family. Remember, it's not just about cooking, but understanding the symphony of flavors each step contributes. Master Uska Tarika, and you'll have lifelong admirers of your culinary prowess. But it's a surefire way to make everybody ask for seconds.